Yes, good morning children. Class 9. Today we will continue with the numericals of gravitation chapter. Okay. So I hope the previous questions you have understood very well. If you are having any doubt, please ask me send a message in the group in my personal number. Okay. Or you can send a message in the comment box of our portal. Okay, so today we will start with the next question. A ball thrown up is caught back by the thrower after 6 seconds. Means a ball is caught up back, मतलब बॉल थ्रो हुआ और वापस उसने कैच किया. At what time? After 6 seconds. Now calculate the velocity with which the ball was thrown up. Means we have to take the velocity with which the ball was thrown. वो कितने velocity से ball को throw किया. Second, the maximum height attained by the ball. When you throw a ball, it will go to a certain height. After that, it will fall down. We have to find the maximum height. Okay. Then the distance of the ball below the highest point after 2 seconds. The distance of the ball below the highest point, मतलब जब ball यहाँ से यहाँ throw हुआ ऊपर, it will reach to a certain height and then afterwards it will come down. Okay, when it reaches the highest point after 2 seconds, what is the height of the ball? Okay, we have to find that height. Yes. Now we will do the solution. First, we have to write the given as usual. U, velocity with which the ball was thrown. We have to take the velocity. Okay, here the first part is we have to take the velocity with which the ball was thrown up. So you have to find. V will be 0. Why? Because when a ball is thrown to the towards upward direction, it will attain a certain height and afterwards it will fall. In the previous numericals I told you the concept of this. So we final the position at which the ball is getting down, that position is the final velocity. That will be your 0. Time equals to 6 by 2. Why it has taken? The ball has thrown. Okay, the ball has thrown. Okay, and come back at 6 seconds. So when the ball has been thrown in the upward direction to a certain height, after a certain height it will get down. So when the ball is thrown up and getting down, it took 6 seconds. So one side will be 6 by 2 then. Okay. Now from V equals to U plus GT, we are taking the value of U. Okay, V is 0. You have to take G minus 10. It has 10 because it has given. When the value of G has given, you have to use that value. If it is not given, then only you will use 9.8. Okay. Then U minus 10 into 30, UY minus 10 because the ball is thrown in the upward direction. U minus 30, then 30 will come to the left side, then U will become your 30 meter per second. So the ball was thrown with a velocity of 30 meter per second. Second, to find the maximum height. So we know V, the value of V, we know U, we know G. So substituting all the values, we are getting the value of H. H equals to 45 meters. The maximum height attained by the ball is 45 meters. The third part, to find the distance traveled by the ball in 2 seconds from the highest point. Okay. Then we have to take U equals to 0 because after attaining a certain height, V equals to 0. Okay. From there, we have to take the distance at time t. So U will become 0 now. S equals to ut plus half gt square. Now substituting all the values, we are getting S equals to minus 20. But negative sign is not there in your calculating the distance. So this is negligible. So your distance will be 20 meters. After the ball has been thrown, See here, bit children. When the ball is thrown, it has taken how much? 30 meter per second. ठीक है, अब यहाँ तक पहुंचा. At that time v equals to 0 and it had come back. Okay, that is one part. The second part, why we have taken u? Because if we take u from here, the ball is in the rest ना. यहाँ पहुंचने के बाद जब बॉल नीचे गिरा, यहाँ 2 seconds ट्रेवल करने के बाद उसको कितना टाइम उसने किया, distance, how much distance it has traveled. So at that time you will take u as 0. So our next question is, an object is thrown vertically upwards and rises to a height of 20 meters. Calculate the velocity with which the object was thrown upwards. Second, the time taken by the object to reach the highest point. Means we have, what the question is, an object is thrown vertically upwards. Ball नीचे से ऊपर फेंका गया. It's and rises to height of 20 meters. मतलब means the height of the ball it reaches is 20 meters. Now we have to take the velocity with which the object was thrown upwards. Means we have to take the value of u. Next, what time it has reached the highest point. Means the ball has been thrown. It is 20 meters and what is the time? What time it has taken to reach the highest point? Okay. S equals to 20. G. So what are the given? S equals to 20, or we can say height equals to 20 meters. Okay. G equals to minus 10 because the ball has thrown in the upward direction. Initial velocity u we have to take. Final velocity will be 0. So here we have to, by formula v square minus u square equals to 2gh. You write the value of v, u we have to find 2 minus 10 because it has been thrown in the upward direction and the value of g is given. Then after solving, u square equals to 400, then u root over 400 will be 20 meter per second. So the initial velocity with which the ball has thrown in the upward direction is 20 meter per second. Now the second, what we have to find? We have to find the time. At what time it reaches that highest point? So v equals to u 20 minus 10 t. V equals to u plus gt. Okay. Then 10 t equals to 20. Then t equals to 2 seconds. So the time taken by the object to reach the highest point is 2 seconds. Yes. Next question, a stone drops from the edge of the roof. It passes a window 2 meters high in 0.1 seconds. How far is the roof above the top of the window? What the question is, a stone has been dropped from the edge of a roof. Suppose this is the roof. Okay, from this edge a stone has been dropped down. It passes a window 2 meters high in 0.1 second. It passes a window. Okay, in 0.1 seconds. How far is the roof above the top of the window? Means we have to find the distance of this. So let us solve. Let h be the height of the roof above the top of the window. Okay, this is your height, top of the window के बीच में और जो roof का distance है, that is your h. And t be the time taken by the stone to reach the top of the window. Okay. Now u has given 0. Drops मतलब ऊपर से नीचे जब गिरा तो उसकी initial velocity is 0. 9 a equals to, or we can say g equals to 9.8 meter per second square. Then from the formula h equals to ut plus half gt square. Substituting the values, we got h. We don't know h and we don't know t. Okay. H equals to 4.9 t square. Okay. Then after what it has said, it passes a window 2 meters high. है ना? Then h plus 2 equals to ut plus half gt square. And t at what time? 0.1 second. तो what जो भी टाइम में पास हो रहा है उसमें और कितना सेकेंड्स उसने ऐड कर दिया? 0.1 seconds. So after solving we are getting 4.9 into t square plus 0.01 plus 0.2 t. Now substituting the value of h, 4.9 t square plus 2, these two. Okay, after solving the whole equation, we are getting t equals to 1.99 seconds. See the solution beta. 4.9 t square cancel here. Okay, this will be multiplied and deducted, it will come to here. Okay, now t equals to 1.99 seconds. Now h equals to 4.9 t square. From this equation, we are substituting the value of t. After substitution, we are getting height equals to 19.4 meters.